Changing your Google background can make your browsing experience more personalized. So, here is how you can do it depending on the platform you are using. Firstly, open the Google Chrome browser. This is the desktop version. Then simply click on the pen icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then look for the Customize Theme or Change Theme button at the middle of the page. It might also be labeled as Customize the Theme. So once you do it, you can see a lot of theme available on your page. You can see list of them. Now simply select one of Google's default categories. You can choose any of them, or you can also upload your own image by choosing upload from device option available there. And you can choose any image you want to and click done to apply the changes, or simply choose any of the theme available on the list. So here I choose the art one for the example, and my theme has changed in the Google. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.